32, my lord, I am bringing for the petition.
I'm for the private respondent.
But I have
Yes.
petitioner being the co-sharer of the property, my lord, installed CCTV camera for his own safety and security and to prevent the illegal activities of the private respondent, my lord, who is also the co-sharer of the property. On, my lord, 7th of July,
Where is
my
your
lord,
complaint? Where is your
page
complaint?
22, 23,
22.
my lord.
What is the allegation there?
Allegation is that the private respondent break my one CCTV, my lord, and also threatened that to break down all other CCTV cameras also.
Which
That
for
has
the
been
private respondent? Why have you caused damage to the CCTV camera? In the other matter, your CCTV camera was damaged. Now you have damaged this CCTV camera.
They have installed CCTV camera towards focusing my chamber.
No.
Is it not violation of my privacy?
That should not be
But
done.
they have done
For
that.
that you have,
I have not destroyed. They have cut by themselves. Now they are giving allegation. I have destroyed. I made submission. I made them.
so they will be at liberty to install CCTV camera.
Not focusing at my chamber.
So in a manner so that it does not affect your privacy.
I do not have any
Ashul, the dispute relates to the dispute in this writ petition relates to installation of a CCTV camera. First up, the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that the CCTV camera which was installed in a portion of his property so as to ensure safety and security has been damaged by the private respondents. First up, the learned advocate appearing for the private respondent disputes such submission. First up, he submits that the petitioner installed a CCTV camera in a manner which focused towards his, you are an advocate,
Yes, ma'am.
which focused towards the chamber of the, which focused towards the chamber of the private respondent who is a practicing advocate. He submits that the manner in which the CCTV camera was installed affected the privacy of the private respondents. First up, the learned advocate further submits that the private respondents do not have any objection if the petitioner installs a CCTV camera without affecting the privacy of the private respondents. The learned advocate for the petitioner, upon instruction, submits that the petitioner is shall not
Well, he is not residing there.
that the petitioner shall take care at the time of installation of the CCTV camera so that it does not affect the privacy of the private respondents or any other inmates of the said property. First up, in view of the submissions made by the learned advocates for the respective parties, this writ petition is disposed of by observing that the petitioner will be at liberty to install CCTV camera in a portion of his property in such a manner so that it does not affect the privacy of other inmates of the property, of the other inmates of the property in question.
Only one, my lord. I have
The above observations and directions, the writ petition stands disposed of. No order as to cause.
only, my lord, kindly record my submission that I have disputed the such submission, my lord. I have disputed such submission, my lord.
Which submission?
Well,
All right, I have recorded that you will not affect install in such a manner that it does not affect. That goes.